The Land Transportation Office in Quezon City will soon be cleared of impounded vehicles. This as LTO has started moving long-staying vehicles to its impounding area far from Metro Manila. This report.
The Land Transportation Office is in the process of transferring impounded vehicles from their compound in East Avenue, Quezon City to Tarlac. LTO Chief Edgar Galvante explained that this is meant to give more space for motorists or the public transacting with their agency.
Halimbawa, yung mga in-inspect na behikulo, napupersang doon sila mag-park along East Avenue, nakakadagdag kami sa pagsisikip ng traffic doon. Kaya hopefully malulunasan ito ng paglilipat ng mga sasakyan sa Tarlac. Yan sanang tatayo ng district office ng LTO, kaya lang sa ngayon, mas kailangan namin yung impounding area, kaya pansamantala yun muna.
The law provides that any automobile not recovered within 6 months can be auctioned off by the agency. MMDA Chairman Emerson Carlos is in favor of this step by the LTO. Since this will not only widen the premises, this will also serve as a warning to motorists not to commit any violations.
Dahil ang layo nga naman para kunin mo ang yung sasakyan, ibig sabihin talagang kulong na kulong ka doon.
LTO is open to giving the LTFRB some slots at their Tarlac impounding station if needed. For PTV News, Julius D. Samburon.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.